The MiG-41, also known by its internal designation as the MiG-41 or Project Isdalier 41, is a highly anticipated next-generation interceptor aircraft currently under development by the Mikoyan Design Bureau in Russia. Although still shrouded in secrecy, this aircraft is intended to replace the aging MiG-31 Foxhound, which has served as Russia's primary long-range interceptor since the Cold War era. The MiG-41 is being developed to meet the evolving demands of modern aerial warfare, particularly in the context of hypersonic threats, advanced stealth aircraft, and the increasing importance of space domain awareness. While official details remain limited, numerous reports, statements from Russian defense officials, and informed speculation provide a compelling picture of what this futuristic aircraft might offer. One of the most striking aspects of the MiG-41 is its projected top speed. Unlike most modern fighter jets that prioritize maneuverability and stealth over raw speed, the MiG-41 is expected to be capable of reaching speeds in excess of Mach 4, potentially even approaching Mach 5. This would make it one of the fastest manned aircraft ever built, surpassing even the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. Achieving such speeds requires revolutionary propulsion technology. It is widely believed that the MiG-41 will utilize a combined cycle engine system, possibly integrating a turbojet for lower speeds with a ramjet or scramjet for high-speed cruise. This hybrid propulsion approach would allow the aircraft to operate efficiently across a wide range of altitudes and velocities, from takeoff to hypersonic flight. In terms of range and operational ceiling, the MiG-41 is expected to significantly outperform its predecessor. The MiG-31 already boasts an impressive service ceiling of over 67,000 feet and a combat radius exceeding 700 nautical miles. The MiG-41 is projected to fly even higher, possibly reaching the edge of space at altitudes above 100,000 feet. This extreme altitude capability would give it a strategic advantage in both surveillance and interception roles, allowing it to monitor vast areas of territory and engage targets before they can penetrate deep into Russian airspace. Its range is also expected to be extended, potentially enabling missions lasting several hours without refueling, especially if equipped with conformal fuel tanks or supported by aerial refueling. Avionics and sensor suite represent another critical area of advancement. The MiG-41 is anticipated to feature a next-generation active electronically scanned array radar system with significantly greater detection range and multi-target tracking capabilities compared to the Zaslon radar used on the MiG-31. Additionally, the aircraft may incorporate infrared search and track systems, electronic warfare suites, and data fusion capabilities that integrate inputs from off-board sensors via secure data links. This network-centric approach would allow the MiG-41 to operate as part of a larger integrated air defense system, sharing real-time information with ground stations, satellites, and other airborne platforms. Armament is another key consideration. While specific weapons have not been confirmed, the MiG-41 is expected to carry a mix of long-range air-to-air missiles, including the R-37M, which has a reported range of over 200 miles. More importantly, it may be equipped to launch specialized interceptors designed to counter hypersonic glide vehicles and other high-speed threats. There have also been suggestions that the MiG-41 could serve as a launch platform for anti-satellite weapons or even small orbital payloads, reflecting Russia's interest in space-based military capabilities. Internal weapons bays are likely to be incorporated to maintain stealth characteristics during certain phases of flight, although the aircraft's primary mission may not emphasize low observability as much as speed and altitude. Stealth features, while not the central focus, are still expected to be present to some degree. The MiG-41 will likely incorporate radar-absorbing materials, carefully shaped surfaces, and internal weapon carriage to reduce its radar cross-section, particularly from frontal aspects. However, given its intended role as a high-speed interceptor operating at extreme altitudes, complete stealth may be sacrificed in favor of performance. The design philosophy appears to prioritize detection and engagement at long ranges before adversaries can close in, rather than relying on stealth to avoid detection altogether. The cockpit and human-machine interface are also expected to undergo significant upgrades. Advanced helmet-mounted displays, voice recognition systems, and artificial intelligence-assisted decision-making tools could reduce pilot workload and enhance situational awareness. Given the extreme speeds and altitudes involved, life support systems will need to be robust, possibly incorporating pressure suits similar to those used by U-2 or SR-71 pilots. There is also speculation that the MiG-41 could eventually be adapted for unmanned operations, or serve as a mothership for loyal wingman drones, though initial versions will almost certainly be piloted. Development of the MiG-41 has been ongoing for several years, with Russian officials indicating that the first prototype could fly as early as the late 2020s. With entry into service targeted for the early 2030s. Funding and technical challenges remain significant hurdles, particularly in the areas of material science and propulsion. Sustained hypersonic flight generates immense heat, requiring the use of advanced thermal protection systems and heat-resistant alloys. Russia's current economic and geopolitical situation may also impact the pace and scope of the program. Strategically, the MiG-41 fits into Russia's broader efforts to modernize its aerospace forces and maintain parity with emerging capabilities from the United States and China. In an era where hypersonic weapons and stealth bombers pose new challenges to traditional air defenses, a high-speed, high-altitude interceptor like the MiG-41 offers a unique solution. Its ability to rapidly respond to threats across Russia's vast territory, combined with potential space launch or anti-satellite roles, makes it a versatile asset in both defensive and offensive operations. In summary, the MiG-41 represents a bold step forward in interceptor design, blending Cold War-era speed philosophy with 21st century technology. While many details remain classified or speculative, its projected capabilities in speed, altitude, sensor integration, and weapon systems position it as a potential game-changer in future air combat scenarios. Whether it will fulfill its ambitious goals remains to be seen, but its development underscores the